Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to check your USAA credit score in 2025. If you're a member of USAA, which is a financial services company dedicated to military members, veterans, and their families, monitoring your credit score is essential for maintaining financial health. It helps you track your borrowing power, spot potential fraud, and make smarter money decisions. Let's break this down step by step so you can do it quickly and easily. First off, ensure you have a USAA account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up through their website or app, but if you are, start by opening the USAA mobile app or visiting usaa.com on your computer. Log in with your username and password. Make sure your account is secure with two-factor authentication for extra protection. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the My Tools or Financial Tools section, which is usually easy to find in the menu. In 2025, USAA has streamlined their interface, so you might see a dedicated Credit Monitoring tab. Click on that. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar and type Credit Score to locate it quickly. Next, select the option to view your credit score. USAA typically provides free access to your FICO score through partnerships with credit bureaus. You'll see your score along with some helpful insights, like factors affecting it or trends over time. Take a moment to review this information. It could include your payment history, credit utilization, and any recent changes. Remember, credit scores can fluctuate, so it's a good idea to check yours every few months. In 2025, USAA might have new features like personalized alerts for score drops, so keep an eye out for those updates. If you encounter any issues, like login problems or errors, reach out to USAA's customer support. They're known for being responsive, especially to military families. By staying on top of your credit, you're setting yourself up for better financial opportunities, like lower interest rates on loans. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. See you in the next one.